All right, the Dinkelsbuhl sign. There you go. Now let me turn around. At least say good morning from Dinkelsbuhl. We've had a little breakfast. Now we're going to walk around and see some shops. But first one is the church. We're going to walk up into the church. No dogs or ice cream. The roof is amazing. The columns. Out with the women, letting them shop. Church view. Coffee shops. Pastries. Perfume stores. You name it, it's all here. It will. Another tower to come in from the wall, way down there, the orange one. We got another newer church over here. All right, the women stopped at a chocolate store. And
You're adult
no,
men,
There's
or
adult men here as well.
there's nothing in this case that we would like. Nothing.
He's,
liar, pencil.
he's been out in the heat way too much.
Plenty of chocolates.
I'm gonna buy his hard chocolate. Let's get one sample.
They'll gift wrap whatever you want. And to top it off is the cakes on the other side.
We could just put, oh, good.
Doing construction on one of the old houses. They literally have gutted it, taken the roof off. You can see the inside. It's pretty much gutted. Walking down the street. We have not gone 100 yards yet, but we're still trying. Oh, here's another one under construction. Very big hotel, something.
I don't know. That was my question. The big way.
Another hotel, the green building, restaurant, hotel, pizza.
Oh, the little one.
I know, waved at the camera. Cute. Just trying to get the pictures of the buildings. Plenty of shops. goes up here pretty far. We will eventually get there sometime. Want to come in here and take a picture of these balls. Apparently they're fairly famous, all different flavors, styles. The, the original ones, I think,
Yes.
were the plain,
One of the original
no,
tastes very well.
very nice. You can eat your way through Germany. Hello, thank you.
No camera, please.
Now to another entrance through the wall. Cars coming through. You know, see if we can walk up, maybe get on top of the wall, see what we can. Just say we've done it. A bunch of little shops and stores. Sun's trying to come out. You can see where we've come from. All right, I walked down on top of the wall right here. You can actually walk out, see the little inside the wall, the little town. A nice peaceful walk outside the wall. You can see the wall over here on the right. And there's a path that does go around it. It's pretty nice. There's a couple little holes that go back in the wall where you can come through at different points. But the outside of the wall, little homes, nice little trees, kind of funny looking trees. And this is the tower or the entrance that we drove into yesterday. And we parked over here on the other side, but just a nice little walk. Just to show you the little pond around. It's very peaceful and quiet. A moat. We actually do have a moat running up here on the outside of the wall. This is another entrance you could drive into from the little town. And try to shoot the tower. Kind of orange. Like I said, there is actually a moat around this wall. You would think protection, of course. Going around. And then the little village outside the town. And plenty of little cafes and places to eat. All right, we're still walking outside the wall. Nice little turret or house up there. Interesting. Built it on top of blocks. Still very overcast day. Again, they still have the moat going around the wall. You can see some of the little houses back there. Very nice. Coming to another entrance into the wall here in a minute. All right, another entrance into the inner city through the wall. A lot of nice little entrances, towers. This one's actually big enough for 2 cars to go through. Normally we have to have them stop and let each other pass. So this is a nice big entrance.